What's happening, YouTube? TheMartialMix here. It's gonna be my first review. So today we got the CHIC Jr. Got this on eBay for about $135. This is an affiliate program thing. I'm just kind of doing this, but let's see what we got in here. Cool. Alrighties. So right here, another box. So it's a hoverboard. Over there. Alright. So now we're just gonna open this. There's just, turn it around real quick. Tabs right here, so just gonna open that right there. And first thing we're gonna get, and I mean, mind you, so I'm not the best reviewer, so be patient with me. Got the I'm guessing this is the manual for everything, all of its measurements. It has how to use it and everything. Oh, there's also a certificate in there. Okay, cool. I don't know what that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Camera's a little far away on the table there, but that side. Got. Oh yeah, by the way, it's all brand new, so. What's this? I'm gonna move this stuff real quick. Over here. So right here, dropped some cable. I'm guessing this is the charging cable. I don't know if the camera will autofocus on that, but basically you got to take off little pieces of plastic. And this is the actual, this is the actual unit right here that you use to charge it with. That, well, I mean, they both go together, you know what I mean? So, put that to the side. Now, we're gonna open the hoverboard. Yep, I'm actually gonna move this chair. Yes. So I got the white version. Pretty cool. I can grab it. There we go. It's actually smaller. Yeah. Really cool. Yeah. Alright. So right off the bat, I can tell you that this is a really nice product. It's really, what should I say? It looks really cool, I mean, it's, exactly how it was described. And I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure these are the sensors on the top here. These will sense where if your foot's on there or not. And, give you a cool little view on the side. So this is the wheel, it's just a regular hoverboard, But this one's cool because it has a has a light on there. So if you can see that. Also, what I like about it is, it has one on the other side too. These little things right here that turn on. So I'm gonna give you a video once this thing is charged. Yeah, it's charged enough. Let's try it. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to power this thing on. So usually you charge it from here, but this is where you turn it on at. So to turn it on, just press a button. Bow. And then to turn it off, hold it. So let's give it a try. It's been a minute since I've ridden one of these things, so let's see if I got the hang of this. It's really fast. The thing is, like, you can do fun things like this. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Please drop a like and subscribe.